Yo, welcome back to Freestyle Friday. I'm your host. I'm the only one here. I'm Real Deal, and you know the deal. Make a beat, freestyle, that's it. I'm already like 25% of the way done. Came up with the melody, and this is what I got so far. I don't think I'm gonna do a snare this time. I think I'm gonna do a clap. Real. Alright, here we go. Freestyle Friday, baby. This is Freestyle Friday number what? This is Freestyle Friday number what? Number who? Chicka what? Chicka who? Chicka what? Chicka who? Here we go. Alright, here we go. Real, Freestyle Friday, baby. Back at it again. I think double ones. Let's get it, baby. You can't stop me. Bone Thug said first of the month. That means it's time to spark of the blood. About to take you to the back cause you front. Baby, I can do what you need, what you want. I'm not here to play games, I'm here to take it to heart. I'm not here to bring a bitch, I'm here to take it apart. You thought I played dumb, bitch, I played it too smart. And now I'm bringing it back, cause you know that I'm art. The music I do so I'm self-express. I'm doing this to get shit off my chest. Don't break stuff, break time, break neck. Baby, this is the last time you disrespect the things that I did, the things that I've done. I've come and I went and I did it, I'm done. I said that I'm gone and I said I'll be back. I told you not to sleep on me, you fucking where to go. Ooh, that last line didn't rhyme, but it just came to mind. I think that's one of the best flows I've done in a minute. I'm not gonna lie, that's the best flow I've done so far. There was really no hesitation. I was really hoping to go for a different type of flow, but I really liked it. Run it back. Ooh, that was good. Let's do one more take. Real, round 2, Freestyle Friday. Let's get it. Sometimes you can't find me, you can't find me, I'm uncharted. Let's get it, dude, let's get done and this party started. Drink tequila, I drink tequila like water. Baby girl, you looking harder. Unwind, now bring it back. Unwind, now tip my hat. I tip my hat to work and I work all day and night. Cause I got an appetite for destruction. I got an appetite for a hustle. I get real street. I lost it, man. But I bring it back. Mike's Hard Lemonade in the trunk. Mike's Hard Lemonade sitting on my cup. About to pour that shit and pour it back in. Damn. Ooh, that one wasn't as good. That's why when you get cocky, my mind completely just blanked out. But that's it for today. That's all I got for Freestyle Friday. You got some bars, let me know. If you want the beat, let me know. That's all I got for y'all today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. all that good stuff. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Tell people you're feeling it. Be like, yo, have you seen Real Deal? You know, she sometimes she says funny stuff, and sometimes she doesn't. A lot of the time she doesn't. But you know what though? Freestyle Friday number 11 out the bank. Let's go. Let's get it. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, y'all. I love y'all. Oops.